Welcome to AI Explainer, where I show you how to use ChatGPT. In this video, we will explore on how to use ChatGPT to generate image for logo design for your brand or business, as well as possible problem you may encounter and how to resolve that. Before we start, I'd like to point out one important thing, and that is logo design is a special job for people with experience. While AI can generate something fairly quick, which usually looks good enough, but the best logo still comes from professional logo designers. However, if you are on a budget and not entirely sure if you want to go big immediately, then AI can come to the rescue and design a logo for you for the time being. Let's start with Create Image, and then ask for a logo which may look kind of generic, but this is just an example we're going to work with. Here we can see that it's generated a logo for us, and you can also specify some specific things you want to include in your logo. Now the first problem arises. As you can see here in our logo, it has included texts in the design, which is bad, because AI is not really good with words. It has even included a name that is probably not yours. So why is this happening? It's because ChatGPT often combines other logo designs from the web, which is similar from what you are asking for, and kind of mix all of it together to generate this image. To fix it, of course, we can simply just ask for it to do that for us. Let's ask for it to not include texts or letters, and also make it more abstract and focused on San Francisco, and it will then give us a new image. And here we have a logo that is much more focused on the Bay Area, with the famous Golden Bridge, and is more abstract and artistic looking. Here's another example. I asked ChatGPT for a yoga studio style logo with warm colors and a minimalist style as an additional prompt. Now to further refine this, we can then ask for another specification. You are completely free to refine this on your own and maybe add 2 more lotus if you don't quite like this one. For the next step, if you take a look at our logo, we can see that it has a background. Currently, ChatGPT does not do transparent background, so now I'm going to show you a very simple way to do that in Canva. We are now in Canva. Let's first upload our file and then adjust it a little bit to make it fit the template. After that, you're just going to click Background Remover right here and it will then do it for you. And then to upload as transparent, you're going to click Share, click Download, and then select Transparent Background and download it like that. After downloading, you can then rename it whatever you may want. And that's how you can download your logo with a transparent background in Canva. Let's go back to ChatGPT. Another thing that you can do here is you can follow a certain style that is associated with the artist you may admire. But keep in mind that you can't really ask ChatGPT to entirely copy someone's work, as that is their copyright. Let's say you want it in a certain style, a modernist style for example. Asking for a certain style is possible, as this is not downright copying. And here it is. You can basically improve and further refine this in any way that you'd like, but you need to be very specific. The only problem you might encounter would be you can't change very specific parts like the lines, because sometimes it also changes something else as well. For example, in this image, I asked to make it more abstract, and now we kind of lost the yoga style in this example. It's not perfect, but is a good way to start for the time being. Let's recap on how to use ChatGPT for logo design. We first clicked Create an Image on ChatGPT and then asked for a logo with specific themes. And then we asked for it not to include text or letters, because ChatGPT often messes things up when it comes to that aspect. After that, we tried to import our image with transparent background using Canva. You can use other software as well. Lastly, we prompted for a specific style we want in our logo from any artist that we admire. Keep in mind that we can't entirely copy their work due to copyright. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to support the channel and to get more of these helpful videos on using AI.